In an ever-changing business environment, sourcing and procurement organizations must find creative ways to manage risk and compliance and to drive deeper collaboration with their suppliers. Streamline your entire source-to-contract process with the iCertis Contract Management Sourcing App. The ICM Sourcing App, built on the iCertis Contract Management Platform, places contracts at the center of the sourcing process to ensure compliance, minimize risk, and provide a more holistic view of supplier relationships. At the beginning of a typical sourcing process, an organization would start by setting up an RFQ for their suppliers. The ICM Sourcing App allows buyers to use pre-approved RFQ templates, or you can also create your own personalized templates based on your specific business needs. After an RFQ record is set up, you can easily add line items to your bid by simply selecting and uploading an Excel file, eliminating the risks of manual errors or missed line items. Once suppliers have been invited and onboarded to the ICM platform, you can monitor their performance over time. Suppliers can be filtered based on their ratings for financial health, quality, or technology, and can then be invited for bidding and participation in the RFQ process. Finally, ICM can route the entire RFQ package to the necessary stakeholders for their approval, after which they can then schedule the bidding round. Once the buyer starts the bidding round, suppliers can then quickly view and act on their pending bids with the help of the easy-to-use ICM dashboard. First, the supplier starts by providing pricing for each of their line items. Again, ICM integrates seamlessly with Microsoft Excel, allowing your suppliers to more easily quote prices for multiple items. The second component is contract redlining. Suppliers can easily view and make changes to their contracts using ICM redlining functionality integrated seamlessly within Microsoft Word, even without tracking changes. This enables organizations to improve visibility into their suppliers' compliance and obligations, starting much earlier in the procurement process, leading to better outcomes during contract negotiations. Finally, suppliers can even quickly respond to specific customer questions through the ICM UI, and can then submit all their bid pricing, redline contracts, and answers directly through ICM, thereby eliminating the risk of any communication errors. Next, the ICM Sourcing App allows buyers to easily track the status of supplier bids, and then to close the bidding round once all the bids have been successfully submitted by suppliers, thereby improving sourcing efficiency and reducing overall turnaround time. After the close of the bidding round, buyers can evaluate and rate suppliers in the ICM Sourcing App based on their technological capabilities, production quality, logistics expertise, etc. Ultimately, each will be assigned a commercial score, an evaluation score, and a legal score, which when taken together help you to make more effective awarding decisions. With the help of the bid summary report, you can easily analyze the pricing details for each of the line items or parts submitted by all suppliers in a single view. Then the supplier evaluation report shows the total score of each supplier based upon the weighted average of the different evaluation criteria, enabling buyers to reduce risk and choose the best supplier for their needs. After reviewing supplier pricing and scoring, you can also quickly compare all the contractual changes and deviations submitted by your suppliers through the ICM Sourcing App, enabling faster contract turnaround time. After reviewing and analyzing the selection report, the buyer can initiate the awarding process, granting the award to the highest scoring suppliers. The powerful integration of Microsoft Excel with the ICM Sourcing App allows you to easily update the award percentage for each of the quoted line items or parts, based upon the bid ranking of the qualified suppliers. Once the awarding process is completed, the buyers will see the list of contracted items awarded for each of their suppliers. The benefits of the ICM platform and sourcing app continue long after the contract is awarded and signed by your suppliers. With ICM's powerful reporting and analytics capabilities, you can model and analyze sourcing data based upon your specific business needs. For example, you can easily generate, build, and analyze reports based on bid information, supplier name, or total bid value. You can even start by simply asking a question about your sourcing data. Based on just a simple question like top 5 suppliers, ICM can immediately plot a graph based upon the awarded value of your top suppliers without any additional configuration. Streamline your entire source-to-contract process with the Icertis Contract Management Sourcing app.